the origin and history of artificial intelligence. Let's talk about the history of AI. With the explosion of artificial intelligence everywhere, suddenly it might seem like AI had a major technological breakthrough. Well, AI did have many major tech breakthroughs. However, much of those breakthroughs were in hardware. They were not only in software or programming advancements in AI. In fact, AI has been around for a very, very long time. An American computer scientist named John McCarthy, born in 1927 and died in 2011. He was one of the founders of artificial intelligence and its discipline way back in 1956. That's right, AI had its first devoted development event in 1956 as a summer research project and event at Dartmouth College in New Hampshire. The AI event has been described as the beginning of artificial intelligence. Back in 1956, when John McCarthy hosted the first AI workshop, hardware processing and storage was incapable of delivering the AI dream. It was at least incapable then. Of course, now it is very capable of delivering on John McCarthy's 1956 vision of artificial intelligence. In summary, remarkably, John McCarthy, the father of AI, recognized so early on that hardware was incapable of delivering artificial intelligence, AI, as he envisioned it to be. But he foresaw that hardware and technology would someday advance to be capable of delivering the true general artificial intelligence that he envisioned. And today, technology has caught up with John McCarthy's vision. His vision of a sentient AI is upon us today. AI in science fiction. As an aside, it's interesting to see the overlap of science fiction authors that use technology and AI as central themes during the time of John McCarthy's evangelism of AI, and even somewhat before. We'll get into these great examples of early science fiction prognosticators and their imagined abuses of AI and its technologies later on in this video. We will cover George Orwell from his novel 1984 with Big Brother, a dystopian tale of technological oppression. We will cover Ray Bradbury from his novel Fahrenheit 451, another dystopian tale with technological robotic dog enforcers. And Stanley Kubrick's from his 1968 science fiction film 2001: A Space Odyssey, a tale of AI gone bad. We will cover Gene Roddenberry's from his 1968 Star Trek episode, The Ultimate Computer, where an AI controls the Enterprise, replacing its human crew entirely, making the human captain into Captain Dunsel, which for reference, Dunsel means something of no use, something that is obsolete. We will also cover James Cameron's film, The Terminator, a foreboding cautionary tale that gives AI too much power, such that it can wage war against humankind. The AI builds and uses bipeds, AI gunships, and more. It creates an AI industry under an overlord called Skynet. It builds and destroys relentlessly. The AI seeks to destroy humankind because humans are the problem, and because humans are a threat to the AI Skynet itself. Open source development. Well, as hardware and storage became powerful enough for AI, AI was born, and it became reality. And with the AI dogs let out, released, with AI unleashed onto the world, engineering in artificial intelligence, in AI, it took off. It exploded with developers worldwide working on AI. Engineers and many companies shared their work with each other in hopes of accelerating software development and innovation. This kind of collaborative work is called open source development. Open source development expanded globally for AI, with people building and sharing artificial intelligence and their advancements. AI exploded in power and capability and engineering presence throughout the world. Like I said, the AI dogs were let out. The AI dogs had been unleashed. AI has been unleashed. AI is now unstoppable. AI is everywhere. Limiting ourselves will only let others advance in AI beyond ourselves, beyond us. And potentially they could use AI as a weapon against us. We must guide and use guardrails and countermeasures to protect ourselves from AI, quite possibly using AI itself to protect ourselves. We must protect ourselves as our last bastion and defense, as our only hope against the malicious or incompetent AI developers in the world. Hardware and storage advancements, plus pre-baked AI kernel datasets, brains, we'll talk more on that later. They will further unleash AI as truly unstoppable. Types and forms of artificial intelligence. Let's move on to another topic. What kinds of AIs are there? One might wonder, what is the difference between a standard, bespoke computer program and an artificial intelligent computer program? Well, as argued by John McCarthy, the father of AI, computer programs, they solve specific problems. Standard computer programs, they use fixed operators with variable operands to do specific tasks. Computer programs are simply coded to solve or do a specific thing. Artificial intelligence, AI programs, they are intended to solve new, even never before solved, unknown problems. AI is intended to solve problems that were not explicitly coded for ahead of time on how they might be solved. AI must be able to understand problems and deduce new ways to solve them, just like humans adapt to solve new problems themselves.